Hi, my lovely viewers. I greet una one love everybody. I know they partial for my greeting. I dey greet everybody equally. I greet una. Wow, we wan address the matter of wife be romantic to your husband. But before we go address this matter, I wan beg una for something. I just dey beg una as in. Una subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name na Blossom Empire. Abeg, make you not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, not forget to press that button, that notification button. Forget to press them so that anytime I upload new videos, you go be the first person to watch my video. And also, abeg, don't forget to like my videos, give it thumbs up. And also, if you get anything at all, any question, anything at all you want ask, leave them for the comment section below. And also, say I dey talk say I don't expect everybody to like my video. If you not still like them, you dey free, give them thumbs down, dislike them. You understand? I beg, make una follow me for my YouTube page. I beg. I just got beg all of all my viewers. Thank you. So, be romantic to your husband. Then be the matter we want address. I not go want make this video too long because I know they like make my video dey too long because I dey want make my viewers to get my time as in. Not be say they could just spend 10 hours they watch one video. No, just they could get their time to do other things and they could get that small time for me too. I don't need all the time of their day on top of my video matter. No, and I just small time I just want make they get for my video matter. Be romantic to your husband. How you go to be romantic to your husband? You be the type when they wake up in the morning, they not go bath. As you take wake up now, so you go take go kitchen, go cook, una go shop. You go carry your leg, go cross for sitting room, they watch television. Now that type you be, I beg. If not that type, try adjust. Bath. Try the bath, morning bath. After you don't do chores finish. Bath. After you bath, what do you do wear? You go wear long gown where you reach your knee. Or now the skirt where still reach your knee you go wear. I be you be the type when you get bun short. Or you be the type when you not get bun short. If you not get bun short, try make you get bun short. I know say warranty you not go fit come out. Help yourself. For this warranty, you go fit help yourself get bun short inside your house. How? Make I give you the solution. You get trouser, abi? Any trouser, any of your trouser where you know say you don't dey whine small, carry am. Now one or two. Cut am become bun short as make it short, bun short. If one design one for inside, put hole for inside one, let one then plain, make it be like say na two different type you get. When you bath, wear bun short. This sexy to your husband. You be type of woman wey not like trouser. Okay, you get long gown wey reach your knee, abi carry the one for inside. Cut am, make it short as in short, not be your knee no. Make it just short well. Maybe say if you bend down self, your husband go dey see the packaging. I know say some people go just dey talk so. Now wetin I dey talk? I dey talk something. Dey romantic to your husband. How I dey talk? Seduce your husband for inside room. Seduce am, na your husband. Those things when I say make you do, like cut your trouser, cut your gown, cut your or skirt. I know say after you cut am, make you wear and go outside. Do not be so I talk. Oh, not be Blossom Empire talk like that. Oh, Blossom Empire say cut am, make you dey wear am for your husband for inside house, as in inside your apartment. Not wear am comot for your apartment. Make another man go dey see your husband goose. I not talking like that. I know say make you go carry all your clothes, come cut am small. I beg go make you know say that Blossom Empire send you. So after the virus finish now, the quarantine finish now, the lockdown end, you can't go dey find money where you won't go to renew your clothes when you say you don pieces. I not talking like that. If now one or two, depend on how you take get your clothes, you go cut am like that because they say sew your coat according to your size. I beg, we could try the romantic for our husband. We try the romantic for our husband. If you wake up in the morning, anything when you know say you dey call your husband, make you and your husband go bath together. No go bath alone. Shebi na you with am dey house now. Muna go bath together. Muna play love. Muna, do anything for inside the house. If possible, dance for your husband, twerk, shake your bum bum for am, as in let am know say im dey miss for the house wey im no dey. Dat period wey im no too dey house, im dey miss a lot, so dat after the quarantine finish, im go get every reason not to dey sleep outside, not to dey stay long outside after e close for work. E go wan run come meet e hot sexy wife for house. Abeg, make we try dey romantic for our husband. You fit twerk for your husband, nothing spoil. You fit seduce your husband. How you go take seduce your husband? Na be all those sexy things wey you go dey wear. To dey sexy no mean say you go carry billions go buy cloth for market. The ones wey you get for house, wash dem, make dem dey clean. You no need money, you no need billions to dey sexy, to dey romantic for your husband. So abeg, make we try dey romantic for our husband, make the house no dey boring for our husband. Try to do something even when nothing to do. Dance. You fit dance for your husband. You fit tell your husband stories. You fit just make am feel at home, make am dey relax. No make am come dey think of side chick, because for this quarantine, all the side chick don lose, and after the quarantine, they go continue to dey lose. All these things wey you go do go make your husband no even remember to die number after the quarantine finish. My lovely people, na this small thing na I get to talk. Make we try dey romantic, make we dey sexy, make we dey nice, make we dey sweet. As I first talk, if you no get trouser, cut one or two trouser. No go cut everything. If na one you fit cut am. If na two you fit cut, you cut am. If na the type wey you say you no dey like wear trouser, you get long skirt wey reach your toes, your nose, cut one for inside. Dey sexy for your husband, dance for your husband, twerk, shake that thing wey you get for backside, everything, shake am for your husband. Let your husband dey relax, feel at home, as in e no go even reason anything. One love, guys. I love you guys here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Blossom Empire. Bye bye. One love.